Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian. I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a new stock item here, which is one of our bespoke Elite 850s 2021. What a fantastically well-spec'd twin axle 8-foot wide caravan with a rear island bed and an L-shaped front lounge. So here's a good look at that particular caravan. You'll find this nowhere else but here at Grantham, the Elite range being bespoke to us with some fantastic features above and beyond the standard Challenger. So you've got the wonderful Elite logo that you see on the front there, large carbon fibre front locker box, ATC trailer control system making for a far safer and secure tow, 2 Alco wheel locks coming as standard item with this twin axle caravan. You've got an access hatch to underneath the front couches, an exterior entertainment pod, and also 240-volt socket and exterior barbecue point. The wonderful chrome Elite logo going down the side of the caravan. You've got a roof-mounted 100-watt solar panel and also benefiting from having a reversing camera. So stepping inside the caravan, our bespoke Elite fabric scheme that you see here has been extremely popular. You'll find that there's no other caravan but this one, and in the Elite range for 2021, hand-selected by us here at Grantham. You've got the panoramic sunroof coupled with a medium-sized Hacky light, giving a fantastic feeling of space in this wonderfully well-finished L-shaped front lounge. Stringer panel towards the front with drop-through for cables, so you can pop a TV on the stringer panel or on the sideboard there. New for 2021 is this two-tone wood locker, so going away from the gloss effect that was had in previous years in this particular model and in the Challenger range. Large kitchen work surface with work surface extension and stainless steel sink with ample amount of storage located underneath. As you step inside, you've got a cupboard here and a small shelf with a coat hook there. Benefiting from the Alder wet central heating system and the Swift command system with built-in mobile capability, digital DAB radio, and a plethora of fantastic features by using the Swift command app. So stepping towards the centre of the caravan, you've got a wonderfully large vanity mirror with our bespoke Elite logo on it. It's just covered up there by some tape at the moment. You've got a cupboard just tucked away underneath with storage above the Thetford toilet and a well-finished sink with a further small vanity mirror. Nice large individual shower cubicle as we step through to this very spacious rear island bed. So on the side there, you've got vanity mirrors on either side cupboard, with that two-tone wood effect going throughout. And you see here this wonderfully spacious and large double bed with the Duvet mattress. You've got a second television point in the bedroom area located here and a generous sized Hacky light, again creating a fantastic feeling of space. Mood lighting dotted throughout with an illuminated diamond effect splashback at the back there. So a really well finished high spec twin axle caravan. If you have any queries or questions about this particular model, please feel free to get in contact with us. We can take you on a live one-to-one tour with one of our sales executives to really show you any of the nooks and crannies in this caravan that I may not have covered in this short video. We hope you enjoy the walk around tour. We look forward to hearing from you and we hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.